Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable BIOS backflash on this laptop. So to do this, we'll have to enter the BIOS menu, and to enter the BIOS menu, power your PC on and then repeatedly click F2 button until your device starts up. Once you see the BIOS menu, you can stop clicking, and now you can navigate here using your touchpad. So go to configuration settings and then scroll all the way down to BIOS backflash option. Now to enable BIOS backflash, switch this option to enabled, and if you want to apply settings, press F10 once and then press enter to confirm. And to discard changes, press escape. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.